So in today's video, we are going to make this animation in After Effects, and it's easy to make. So we are going to start by putting a dollar in the composition after place S and scale it like this. After that, create a new solidy layer of color black and name it particle. After, select that solidy layer and go to Effect Simulation, and finally go to the CC Particle World. After, go to Physics. On the particle type, select Textured Quad Polygon. Go to the text layer and select the money you placed in the workspace. So we're going to animation this particle to increase in number at the end and fill the all screen. So this is what we are going to do. So go to the producer and make the position Y minus 1.00 to make the particles to scatter. After, go to gravity and make it 1. So the next thing we're going to do is to animate the birth size, because we want the number of images to increase in size in order to fill all the workspace. But what we are going to do is to fast animate the rate. So at this point, click on the birth rate clock watch. Move at this distance and make the birth rate 105.5 or more according what you want. So now we are going to make a small animation at the max opacity. So fast, make it 76, and then click on its clock watch. After, move a small distance and make it 100. So next we want to increase the birth size because we want the texts to increase. So at this point, click on the birth size. After, move to this distance and make the birth size 3.480, or make sure it fill the screen. After, pre-compose our particle layer and name it particles. After, type the word money and scale it to be like this. Drop down the particle comp and make it alpha matte. If you want at this point, you can select Ctrl-Shift-D and break this point. Select the layer and click OS Freeze Frame in order a layer to freeze.